Hey everyone, this is Andre with Garage Door Guidance again. I have another video on a circuit board replacement once again, and this is on another Craftsman belt drive. Model numbers here, so you would use this model number right here to match up the one you need. I will link this particular circuit board down in the description for you below if you have this exact board. So the model number I am working with is 41A5483-20AS. So step one, you want to unplug your garage door opener, but obviously mine's not mounted, so it's already unplugged. Step two, you want to remove these wires here. I don't have the wall control set up right now, just because again this is a removed unit, but I did just plug in some regular sensors just so I could show you how it's done. Essentially you have a black, white, and red. Black and white are the sensor ones, so you want to go ahead and remove those. And that's done just by pushing on these orange tabs and pulling on the wire, and they come out just like that, very easy. So step three, you have to remove the screws that are holding the board in place. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, and there's one over here, 4 screws. You can do all of this with just a flathead or Phillips or a little 1/4-inch socket, but what I use is my impact with a 1/4-inch socket on it. It just makes it faster, so I'll go ahead and remove all that. So that was your 4 screws, those have been removed. So now this whole board should just slide right out, just like that. And that's pretty much it as far as getting the board off. So step 3, you're pretty much free. So step 4 would be, there's these sets of wires here. There's 1 set and 2 sets of wires. You just pull those right out. So you just go ahead and do that. 1, 2. So just like that, you see the 2 sets of wires. First one here, second one there. So that's pretty much the circuit board that you will be picking up if you decide to go ahead and do this repair. So once you get the new board, pretty much just do this in reverse. You grab the, I always do this one because it's a little harder to do, so you do this one first, but you just plug it back into the port you pulled it out of. Just like that, and the second one. Boom, all set. So from there, just pop the board back into place. You see the little squares here, the cutouts. The board itself has little slots that goes into, or little pieces that slide into that slot. So just pop it in just like that. From there, put your screws back in. So now that you've got your board replaced, you can connect your wires back up. Again, the red and white's for the wall control, the white and black on the other side are for the sensors. So you just put those back into the slot, push on the tab, push the wire in. From there, you've got maybe another thing to do. There's these 2 little knobs here inside. They're the power limits. I don't know what they normally set it at from factory, but I always turn it up. There's a little guide here, 1 to 9. I always do something like a 4. So I'll go ahead and put my little flathead in there, turn it up to about a 4. Just because the motor itself rarely actually uses all the power that it can. So about 5 is usually good. From there, 2 last steps. Obviously, you want to plug in your garage door opener. And once it's plugged in, you also need to reprogram your garage door remotes, because you did change the circuit board, so now this is a new board. Your remotes aren't programmed to it. They are on the same frequency, they just need to be learned to the new circuit board. The way you do that is you push this little purple square, and just like that, the little light will turn on, obviously, once it's plugged in. And all you do is push the remote just 1 time. You'll hear a click or the lights will turn on, and that's about it. You just hit the remote again and it should operate for you. Again, I do have this board linked down in the description below if you wanted to give this a shot. If this helped and if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. I do a bunch of garage door repair kind of things, so you never know when you might need it, but I would appreciate the support. That'd be awesome. Just want to say thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.